Hello viewers, Vanakkam. I am Revati Dandapani from Astro Ritually. Thank you very much for the support you have given so far. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell button. Aquarius. This video is for Jupiter Transit 2021-2022. It's a wonderful transit. It is human nature to expect something good will happen in every planetary transit. As per Vakya Panjangam, Jupiter transit is on 13th November 2021 and as per Tirukanida Panjangam, it is on 20th November 2021. Jupiter is a planet of tolerance and expansive. It is associated with sense of humor, plenty, good and bounty. Jupiter is called as Putrakarakan and Dhanakarakan. If Jupiter is placed in 2nd, 5th, 7th, 9th and 11th house, it is said to be very good. This transit is of two stages, that is regular and advanced transit. Regular transit is between 20th November 2021 and 12th April 2022. Advanced transit is 13th April 2022 to 31st July 2022. After that, Jupiter retrogrades and comes to Aquarius. In the regular transit on 20th November 2021 to Aquarius, Jupiter travels on Dhanishta 2 padams, Sadabhishak 4 padams, Purva Prashtabhada 3 padams, which are the natives of Mars, Dragon Rahu and his own. In the advanced transit to Pisces on 13th April 2022, he will be traveling on Purva Prashtabhada 4th Padam and Uttara Prashtabhada 4th Padams and he will be there till 31st July 2022. After that, he retrogrades and comes to Aquarius on September and will be there till October. This is the transit history of Jupiter. Aspect of Jupiter is favorable than his placement as his aspect is on 5th, 7th and 9th konas. Dear Aries sign, Aries ascendants, Ashwini, Bharani, Kritikai, first Padam, star viewers, 9th and 12th house Lord, Jupiter in 11th house, which is for profits, fulfillment of desires, friends, knowledge and elder siblings, legs and minerals in the body. Transits from Capricorn to Aquarius on 20th April 2021. He will be transiting on Dhanishta 3rd and 4th Padam, Sadabhishak and Purva Prashtabhada 1st Padam. On the Dhanishta star 3rd and 4th Padam, which is controlled by Mars, Jupiter travels from 20th November 2021 to 1st January 2022. So it is favorable to have the 9th house Lord in the 11th house. Chance of getting unexpected profits are seen. Your desires will be fulfilled as per your wish. You will be very active. Change of job will be beneficial. From 2nd January 2022 to March 1st 2022, Jupiter travels through Sadabhishak star, which is owned by Dragon Rahu, which will favor you with abroad chances and education. You may be favored by other language, other religion people. March 2nd to April 12th, Jupiter travels through his own star Purva Prashtabhada, first Padam. You will be searching something, service-minded. You will be knowledgeable. From April 13th to 31st July, Jupiter will be accelerated in an advanced transit to Pisces on stars Purva Prashtabhada 4th Padam, Uttara Prashtabhada, which is controlled by Saturn, and Revati, which is controlled by Mercury, and retrogrades back to Aquarius. Hence his transit in Aquarius in November 2022. There will be profitable job change, promotions, elder siblings will cooperate. Jupiter aspects over 3rd house Gemini, 5th house Leo, 7th house Libra. You will be courageous to face anything. Your artistic and writing talent will flourish. Younger siblings will cooperate. Aspect of Jupiter over Leo Fifth house may bless you with childbirth for those who are waiting and will be gifted with the blessings of family deity. Aspects over the seventh house will make partnership business prosper. Friends and business partners will cooperate. Spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. This prediction is valid till April 12th of 2022. But in the advanced transit from April 13th, situation may change. You may have to face tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses over joyful occasions and celebration. Chances for abroad and a long distance travel is seen. You may have to travel long on business, trade, and career. In the advanced transit, Jupiter aspects over 4th house Cancer, 6th house Virgo, 8th house Scorpio. There will be marked improvement in mother's health. Chances of purchasing house, land, and vehicles are seen bright. You may renew the old house or purchase a new house. You may exchange the old vehicle for new vehicles. Chances for clearing old debts are seen. Ailments so far suffered in the health will come to an end. Be away from court cases and controversies. Chances for sudden fund flow is seen. Pending court cases will be finalized in your favor. Worship of Lord Tichandur Murugan is favorable. You can visit Gurustalas in Alangudi, Tittai. If not possible, you can visit the nearby Shiva temple and worship Lord Dakshinamurti on Thursdays. I think you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe and press the bell button to get my videos immediately. Thank you very much.